everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors. And if you see, we are back in the wood yard. So I know it has been a little while since I've made a video, probably over a month now. We've been busy between the kids and just trying to get stuff done around here. It's hard to get videos done. And in all honesty, I kind of fell out of love with it for a little while. So in the beginning, when I started making these videos, I was really enjoying myself making the videos and being able to connect with you guys out there. And somewhere along the line, I lost track of all that. I was too concerned about making sure I had videos uploaded at the right time and the right day and all of that jazz, stressing myself out, and I just wasn't enjoying making them anymore. But I did miss you guys, and we're back out here. So I can't promise that there's going to be any kind of frequency as far as when my videos will be out or how often I will post, but I will do my best to get some videos out for you guys. I turned it into a job and took the fun right out of it, but I don't want to do that anymore. I want to make videos, make firewood, and show you guys what I've been up to, and also let you guys help me improve the process like this. So this splitter being up on those 2x6s, it was your guys' idea. So the last video I was out here splitting, I was splitting into the wood wagon, excuse me, and I was throwing the wood in. And a couple of you guys in the comments, I can't remember who it was, said, hey, why don't you try splitting directly into the trailer? So the way it was situated before, the splitter was just a little too low. It wouldn't have worked out like that. But I blocked up the back on the 2x6s like you guys saw in the beginning, I hope. And I've got a 2x6 under the front leg to get it up high enough that I'll be able to just push directly into the wood wagon. That is the plan. So, and I'm thinking that the firewood should hopefully slide pretty good onto the 2x6s, the decking here, and just I'll be able to push right into it, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see together, but I think it's definitely going to be a time saver. It'll be a shoulder saver for sure. So this oak is heavy, and I'm splitting it kind of big because it's home heating wood. If you're new here, I bought a log load about almost 2 years, a year and a half ago now. I was trying to get some ash and maple, ended up being oak, and I didn't, I was looking for bundlewood. Either way, long story short, it's been sitting in the front yard for a while, and I need to get to it so that I can use it in the boiler 2 years from now. So that's the plan. We're going to get it taken care of. I bet I'll be 2/3 of the way there once I get this split, and maybe another cutting session or two out there, and it'll be all done, and that'll be good. Got some work coming here in the front and the back. Got an excavator coming. Lots going on around here at the TC's Outdoors household, and hopefully maybe I'll bring you along for some of it. I don't know, no promises, but either way, like I said, we're back, and I miss you guys. Hopefully you guys had a good time, a great time. Everybody's healthy and well, and let's make some firewood. first thoughts, it's not really working that great. I think what I'm going to need to do is maybe back the trailer up just a little more, and if I had sides, maybe it would work a little better on the grizzly bar setup, but I think I'm just going to end up with a trailer load of the slash and stuff, but that's okay. I'll just sweep it off when I'm done. Not a huge deal. So I'm going to move the tractor back just a hair, and then we're going to continue. Now the work begins. Somebody's got to go stack this. I wonder who that somebody is. I know who that somebody is. It's me. But that's okay. All honesty, when I get done stacking, it is probably my favorite part. To take a step back and look at what I've done. It's just that sense of accomplishment feels pretty nice. So I'm not going to complain about the stacking. But I'm going to call Eastonmade 1222 Wood Wagon Splitterooski 2.0 a failure. That did not work out as well as I was hoping it was going to. But that happens, I guess. If you don't try, you don't know. So I think if I had sides on here, I think that may have helped. But I think I'd still be picking it up off the ground, and I'm not a big fan of that. I think ultimately the best plan of attack would be to save up my money, sell some more bundles, save up some more money, and get myself a conveyor, because I don't think there's another way to get the firewood away from the splitter so that you can keep splitting and making it as fast as you can make it with an Eastonmade 1222. You got to have a conveyor. So that's the plan, I guess. I'll just keep working, keep saving. But either way, pretty good dent in the pile. I mean, already, I don't know, it's maybe half of that first row. It's pretty good. So, and not very much time, 20 minutes or so. And that's a lot of monkeying around, moving cameras and things like that, and moving the trailer in and out and trying to get that figured out. But either way, I don't know, that's going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back here. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like and subscribe. I look forward to talking to you guys next time. Take care. We'll see you.